Hey everybody, thank you for coming to my channel again. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on rope twists. I'll be showing you how I do my rope twists. This is my first time doing them actually, so I'm really excited.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. And you don't ever cook, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up.
The key ingredient in this style was the Murray's Edge wax. I love this stuff.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, no, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Oh, yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I think I forgot to mention that I'm using the rubber band method. The method I'm using is where you combine the hair around the synthetic hair and start the twist versus going under it like with the crochet needle. I've done both ways and I find that this way is the most seamless way. You don't see the rubber bands and it looks very much like you're rolling the hair as such.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. And you don't ever cook, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, no, we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Oh, yeah. Baby, can you focus?
Thanks guys so much for watching my channel in this video. If you'd like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be doing videos at least once a week is the goal. And I just thank you guys so much for the love and support.